Now, if you want to do dropshipping successfully, you need to sign up using this method that I'm going to show you. It's kind of hidden, but I'm going to show you how to go around it and sign up with Aliexpress dropshipping so that you can get dropshipping prices, okay? You don't have to sell at the same price, that is on their website. You have to get the dropshippers pricing so that you can make enough profit. It's very important that you follow this video step by step so that you don't miss a thing. So here, if you come over to aliexpress.com, you go ahead and sign in if you have an account already. But if you don't, all you have to do is just click on register and just follow the prompt, and register is very easy to register. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in since I have an existing account. All right, so now that I've signed in, the next thing you're going to do is to come over here and you're going to see DS Center, that is Dropshipping Center. You click on it. All right, so here you have the Aliexpress Dropshipping Program User Agreement. So this is what you want to go ahead and sign. So we're just going to go ahead and read all this, or pretend that we read it. All right, so just go ahead and read it so that you know whether it's something that you want to do or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on I have read and agreed to the terms of the Aliexpress Dropshipping Program User Agreement. So now that I've checked it, you go ahead and click on finish. All right, so now this is the Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. How cool is this? I bet you didn't know that this exists before. If you didn't know, let me know in the comment section. And while you're at it, please go ahead and like this video so that more people can see this video and benefit from it. It's also a good metric for me to know that you're enjoying the video so that I can go ahead and make similar videos just for you. So now the next thing you're going to do here, now that we are signed into the Dropshipping Center, is to start searching for our products, the trending products that we're going to be using. But the first thing I usually do is I look around me and look at the things that people mostly buy, so that way I can make an informed decision in choosing my product. Because if you want to choose a product that is in high demand, and in choosing the product, you must make sure that it's a product that people can search for, that is a product that people will always search for, and also is a product that people will need in and out of season. You don't want your dropshipping store to be seasonal, okay? All right, so here you have to choose a niche, right? You don't want to be everywhere, except you want to have a departmental store where you have different items in your store. But if not, you just have to choose your niche. If you want toys and hobbies, home and garden, computer and office, women's clothing, jewelries, accessories, and all of that. Here, you're going to choose anyone, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and move over to jewelry and accessories, okay? Click on jewelries and accessories. So what you can see here is the basic recommendation, and you can see the quantities that have been sold. You can see that this one has sold 5,000 times. 5,000 items have been sold. For this one, you can see the shipping speed is 4.5, the communication is 4.6, the item as described is 4.5. So you want everything to not be less than 4.5. You want the ratings to not be less than 4.5, because another thing that you need to factor in is customer satisfaction. Because if you satisfy your customers, you're not going to have any disputes with PayPal, and those are the kind of things that PayPal doesn't like if you're going to be using PayPal as your payment gateway, right? So if you scroll down now, you can see that this one is selling for 91 cents and it has sold for 9,000 plus times. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on go to analyze. All right, so here you can see that it's giving us similar product to the one that we selected, and you have an option to put a link to a product that you found on aliexpress.com. That's the normal Aliexpress. You can put the link here and it's going to analyze it and give you the best price, So let's try that out now. So let's go over to Aliexpress.com. All right, so now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and click on a random product that we're just going to use for the purpose of this tutorial, and we're just going to go ahead and copy this. Let's copy the product link. All right, so now that we have copied the link, let's move over to our dropshipping platform, which is this one, and paste the link here. Then click on analyze data. So as you can see, it's giving us the dropshipping price. You can see this one is $2.81, this one is $2.52, this one is $2.23. So you're going to take your time and select the one that best suits you. You can see 1.99 cents. Come on, clap for me. Now let's go ahead and compare the pricing. If you come over to the main website and you're going to see this is the product, you can see here that is $4.79, but here we're getting it for $1.99. Now how cool is this? So this is an amazing way for you to find trending product at a very, very huge discounted price. So now that we have found this, the next thing you're going to do is to import this product to your website. I've done a tutorial not so long ago how you can set up a dropshipping store, how you can import products from Aliexpress. I'm also going to be leaving the link in the description, or you can go ahead and click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, so that you can learn how to set up your store, how to import all this product that you're going to find, how to import it to your store. Automatically, everything is automated, so you don't have to start downloading the picture and uploading it on your website, downloading the description and uploading it in your website. No, you are just going to automatically import it to your website. So don't miss watching that video. I'm going to link it in the description so that you can learn how to set up your dropshipping store and how to import products from Aliexpress. Now let's talk about payment gateways. Payment gateways is just a medium that you use in collecting money from your customers on your website. So it could be anything. It could be bank transfer, it could be PayPal, it could be Stripe, it could be Bitcoin or anything. But the first strategy that you can apply if you don't want to stress yourself, integrating all the payment gateways, you can localize your store, right? You can localize your store. Let's say you are from Nigeria and Nigerians will have issues collecting money from different part of the world. So you can just make your store for Nigerians and Nigerians alone. So that way you can use a Nigerian payment gateway, which is way easier than integrating other international payment gateways. And some of the Nigerian payment gateway you can use is Paystack, Flutterwave, or even bank transfer, right? Because it's Nigeria, so Nigerian account to Nigerian bank account, they just do a transfer and you get the confirmation, you approve, and then you deliver their product. It's just as easy as that. So that way you won't have any problem integrating international payments and all of that. But if you're like me and you want to collect money internationally, it's very easy as well, but you need to be very careful when setting it up because, of course, we follow backdoor. All right, so you're going to be integrating PayPal. PayPal is one of the huge platforms that I use to collect money from international customers, and I've done a series of PayPal tutorials that you can watch and learn how you can set up your own PayPal store and then use it to collect money from international customers. I'm going to be linking it in the description so that you can go ahead and binge watch on all of them. You have to watch it sequentially to learn the things that you need to avoid, the do's and the don'ts, the pros and the cons. Learn all those things and then go ahead and create your own business PayPal account and then link it to your website, okay? And then the second option is Stripe. I use Stripe a lot. Stripe is like my second go-to because customers that doesn't have PayPal will have the option of Stripe. And setting up Stripe is not as difficult as it sounds if you're living outside of the US. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how to set up a Stripe account even when it's banned in your country. I'll teach you how to go about that. Just let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and make the tutorial just for you. And then the third option, this one is for Nigerians. If you're living in Nigeria, you can use Paystack International. You can use Paystack to collect money from your customers all over the world, and the money will come into your account in US dollars. So this way you'll be able to collect money from international customers. And then the fourth alternative is using a wire transfer. Now, if you live outside of the US, you can use Payoneer or GigPay to create a US bank account that you can use to collect money from your customers. I'm going to link the tutorial in the description. I've done a tutorial in the past, so I'm going to leave all that in the description so that you can go ahead and watch it after watching this video. Now, if you want to learn more ways to make money online from the comfort of your home, I've put together this playlist simply for you. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on it, binge watch it, learn more ways to make money online, and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.